trading during the holidays in 2022. And this is a subject that it's kind of early, right? I mean, we're in October, but the holidays are coming. November is right around the corner. And after October ends, things are going to start slowing down. Okay. So you need to be ready mentally for it, that you're not going to be getting the pips that you're getting right now. These massive volatility that we're experiencing right now with GBP pairs, this is only going to last 2 or 3 weeks. And that's that. This is not going to continue to be this way. Okay. And also the good moves during the London hours and stuff like that, that's going to start subsiding. So we need to get ready. So let me begin with the official Forex holidays are these. Okay. So these are the remaining GBPs for this year. And then these are the coming for the following year. Okay. And then on the USD, man, we like to party. And they're not even Puerto Rican, most people, because we like to party. We have holidays for all sorts of excuses. Okay, what can be expected during the holidays? Low liquidity, large spreads, right? The spreads are going to get larger, so it makes it more difficult to be able to profit. Erratic price action, you'll see a lot of ups and downs. Not fun to trade it when the market is choppy. It becomes choppy. You don't want to trade that. Okay. So it's not a bad time to trade ranges, but you have to know what you're doing. Okay. So bottom line is, don't expect breakouts when there's low liquidity and low volume. It's not going to happen. So if it's pretending that it's breaking out, okay, look for the fake out, because it's probably coming back in. And then once it comes back in, it's going to the other zone. Okay, what should a trader do? Not trade is one option. During the holidays, the first thing that you should think about is, maybe I shouldn't trade today. And if you're going to trade because you want to see how the market is moving and stay in touch with the market, trade with lower lot size. Okay, I think I covered that here in just a minute. Trade with lower volume. There you go. Become extremely selective, right? Become selective. That means look for something specific. Don't open charts, especially Christmas Day or New Year's Day. Do not open the charts. Do not open the charts. Do not open the charts. You know, show that you have a life doing something else, okay? Don't open the charts. What the holidays are not. The holidays are not the time to try to get losses back, right? This is not the time to be drawing in large lot size because you took a loss. No, take your loss, right? And hopefully you risk manage your loss going in. And so no big deal. Okay. But it's not the time to try to start getting back your losses after you have lost. Okay. Not the time to try a new strategy. This is not the time to start trying something new. If you're trying something new during this season, going into the holidays, it's not going to work at all when the new year starts. It's not going to work at all. Okay. It's going to be a completely different market. Not the time to increase your lot size. I think I already spoke about that. Not the time to hold for runners. Not a time to hold for runners. Because even if you get a breakout, the likelihood that's going to happen is that it's going to come back inside. Okay. Back inside the zone. And if it effectively breaks out and retests, it's gonna be so slow getting to the plays where you want your TP that is just not worth it. Okay, do these during the holidays. Spend time with your loved ones. That's what the holidays are for. Okay, if you won the year, celebrate it, right? If you have won the year, celebrate it. If this was your breakout year, make sure that you celebrate it. Have fun, enjoy it, take the time to pat yourself in the back, journal it, you know, get yourself something nice. Don't overdo it as far as overspending money, you know, but do buy yourself something. Buy yourself something that you can put on your desk that when you look at it, hey, that was 2022 right there. I killed it, you know. It's important. Buy a magic key, yes. And if you lost the year, or if you learned the year, as I say, meditate it, you know. There is no such thing as losing. As far as I'm concerned, there's only learning, you know. We need to change the way that we look at failure. Failure is just learning. You know, failure at trying anything has nothing to do with your value. It has nothing, absolutely nothing to do with your value as a human being or your capabilities of what you can accomplish. It has nothing to do with it. All it means is that on this occasion, this time, in this situation, you weren't able to complete the task. That's all it means. And that's nothing. So what? What chances does that thing have if I'm going to keep pushing forward? It has no chance whatsoever. I will overcome it. You know what I mean? No big deal. So meditate it. Take the time to consider what it is that you need to do to make the changes, and then go about making those changes. When you go to make changes to your habits, don't try to make any drastic changes. Make small incremental changes, little by little, step by step. Okay, let's go. Either one, pat yourself in the back for courageously taking on the world's best traders. And that is a good one. Whether you won the year or whether you learned the year, pat yourself in the back for you just went to battle with the world's best traders. And that is the fact. You are trying to make money from the market. Okay. If you made $5 today in the market, you made better than 95% of the traders out there. Okay. Think about that. Think about that. If you got $5 from the market today, you did better than 95% of the traders out there. Okay. You are competing against that 5%. They're the best traders in the world, right? And they're consistently killing the market. And they are looking to take your money. And the banks, which are those are the ones that are really, they are the real threat. Okay. I mean, let me ask you this. Think about this. How can the market drop 50 pips on a 5-minute candle, and in the next 3 candles go up 250 pips? That was last night. What do you think that was? What do you think that was? They were trying to induce you to sell, right? They took your money and then ran it up. Okay. All right. So again, whether you won or you lost a year, congratulate yourself. You are competing in the most competitive arena in the world. Okay. And you are competing. Okay. Whether you are winning or losing, you are competing. And now we just need to move you slowly into the winning category. That's all. Okay. Relax, rest, spend time with yourself, review the year. Okay. That's important. And prepare a game plan for 2023. I think that's it. Give. The last one is give. It's a great season to give, right? Whether you did fantastic in the year or whether you didn't do so good in the year, give. Giving is the beginning of receiving. Okay? Give and it shall be given to you, right? Press down, shake it together, run it over. The scripture tells us, So take the season to give. And I think this is it. Yep. I think that's the end. Let's see if it gives me the end. Yeah, there is the end. Yay! Any questions?